Good morning, children. Today we are here with a new subject, maths, and topic is integers. Integer. Hope you all have learnt integers in your previous classes, like in 6th standard and 5th standard, right, children? So we are doing the continuation of integers in the further classes of class 7th standard. So let us start with the integers. First of all, children, integers are those which are the combinations. Before going to integers, you all know what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are those, children. First of all, it is denoted by n. For natural numbers, to write a natural number sequence, we are denoting this number as n, and it will start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, etc. Okay, it will go on till the infinite. So counting, these also known as also counting numbers. So after natural numbers, we are having a whole number, and whole numbers are denoted by W. So whole numbers are those which will start with a main digit, that is 0. Whole numbers are those which starts with 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, etc. So children, natural numbers are those which starts with 1, 2, 3 and 4 and etc. And whole numbers are those which will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And we'll see, we are also having another type of numbers that are negative numbers. So negative numbers, what do you mean by negative numbers? Negative numbers means we are having the words like this, 1, 2, 3. These are natural numbers. So the sign, one sign, the minus sign which will come before the number are known as negative numbers. Okay? We are having three types: natural numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers. Negative numbers means -1, -2, -3. Before the numbers you have written, will present minus sign. So these are negative numbers. So children, integers are those, the collection of positive numbers. These are also known as positive numbers. How? If there is nothing beside the number, it is considered as plus. We will not write plus for every time. It is not necessary. It means it is understood. If you write only single one, it is like plus. And if you want to write minus, it is compulsory to write the minus sign beside the numbers. So these are also known as positive numbers. Why positive numbers? Because there is not having negative sign. So the combination, overall the integer means this total thing, a combination of natural numbers, positive numbers and whole numbers and negative numbers. The combination of these whole things make integers. So you all know what are integers? Integers are those combination of positive number, whole number and negative numbers. The combination of positive numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers is known as integers, children. So we have learnt about integers and what all integer contains. Then we will see the number line where the integers will stay. number lines, we are having the number line where the integer number will be staying. We'll draw one line. This is one line. Okay. In number line, integers we have to display. So what are integers? Just now I have told na, integers are the combination of whole numbers which start with 0. So we are writing 0, and at the right side of the number line will be a positive numbers. Every time, children, every time if we write a number line, on number line if we denote if we denote numbers, we have to consider the right side for positive numbers. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From right side, the numbers are in increasing orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, children. And then if we move on the left side, at this part of side, we are having negative numbers. Why? Because whole number is also covered, natural numbers also been covered. So what is remaining left? Remaining left are negative numbers. In negative numbers, the left side, the numbers goes on decreasing. Here at the right side we are increasing, here it goes on decreasing. See, like this: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. See, children, you can see it is in the decreasing order from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the number line. The representation of integers on the number line will be like this. This side is positive and this side is, at the left side is negative. Here it is neutral. Neutral. This neutral and positive and negative side. This is the representation of number line of integers. Now children, we look upon to the exercise 1.1 of integers. So here is the question: following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius. So this is the number line which has numbers which is considered as degrees in heat. So these numbers consist of positive numbers and negative numbers with including 0. And other thing, it has been given at different places on a particular day. It has different degrees, different heat degrees and cool degrees in different places. Like Bangalore has. So from here we should count. Means look here it is 20, right? 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. This difference between these two numbers are 5. So here also 5, here also 5, here also 5. So this Bengaluru has temperature of 20, 21, 22. So Bengaluru has 22 degrees Celsius. So this is the question, and now it is a sub question in it. That is, the first thing, A, observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. Now we'll look into the solution here of first solution, that is first question in that A. Solution. Look here, in this we are taking places name from the negative side. So first we are having Lahul Spiti at which temperature? -5, -6, -7, -8. This one is for -8 degree Celsius. And next what we are having, children? Srinagar. So count from here: 0, -1, then minus 2. Srinagar is having minus 2 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is having minus 2 degree Celsius. Then next what we are having? We are having this Shimla. This Shimla is at exactly 5 degree in positive, not negative. Shimla is having 5 degrees Celsius. Then next we are having Ooty. Ooty is having 14. How 14? Here it is 10, 11, 12, 13 and this is 14. So Ooty is having 14 degrees Celsius. Then what we are having at last? The Bengaluru, which is at 22. From here 20, 21 and here 22 children. (22 Celsius). So here this is the answer. Solution for this answer, just they are saying to, so we have solved this, just they are saying to mark the temperatures according to the places given here. Now we shall move on to the next question, next sub question I mean, that is what is the difference, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above. In this question, what it says, just what is the temperature difference. As you know, the difference means a negative. Difference means negative. We have to make minus. What is the temperature difference between whom? Between the hottest and coldest. So first, hottest means, in this, according to this negative, it is positive. So which is the highest positive here and which is the highest negative here. So we are making and we are finding the difference of it. So you can say you are having the highest, hottest it is, compared to this chart, it is the highest temperature is of Bengaluru, having 22 degrees Celsius. So hottest is Bengaluru of 20 degrees Celsius, right? Here Bengaluru having 22, here also written in the solution 1 of A, that is Bengaluru is having hottest. And which is the coldest in the above places? Coldest means this one, Lahul Spiti is the coldest of temperature, which is in the minus degree. As you know, we move left side from the number line, the degree will become lesser. So here the coldest place is Lahul Spiti, that is how many degree? Minus 8 degree. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now children, what it is saying, what is the temperature difference? So we are finding the temperature difference, means we have to make difference. We have to minus this 22 and minus 8 degree. Now we shall solve this second question, sub question, that is hottest degree is 22 degrees Celsius of Bengaluru and coolest degree is of Lahul Spiti, that is minus 8 degree Celsius. Now what we have to do, we just have to subtract this both degrees. Look here we are having 22, what you have to do, subtract means minus of minus 8, as you have learned in the mathematics. We are having one rule, that rule is, look here, whenever a minus sign into a minus sign is a positive sign. Means minus into minus comes the answer in plus, and another thing plus into plus, we are also getting the same sign. And then we are having another thing, if signs are different means plus into minus, it is minus, and another thing plus into minus, that is also a minus. Look children, you need not to be confused. Look here, if it is having same signs, you just add the signs in the plus form and you have to write plus. If you are having different sign like minus into plus, that you have to insert directly minus. If it is the same number, same sign, you have to get plus. If it is different sign, you have to put minus. Same here, similarly like here, what you are having minus and minus. So minus into minus is plus 22 plus 8. 22 plus 8, what is it? What is the addition of 22 plus 8? 22 plus 8 is 30. So the solution answer is 30 degrees Celsius. The difference between hottest and coldest degree of temperatures is 30 degrees Celsius. And now we'll look into the next another two sub questions which comes in the problem 1, that is C and D. We shall see about C. So what C says, C sub question says, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Again it's asking temperature difference. Difference means, as you know, it is a negative sign. We have to subtract those temperatures. Which temperatures? Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Here Lahul Spiti has what temperature? In the first A sub question I have told you, it is having -5, -6, -7, -8. -8 we are having Lahul Spiti. So write down here. Lahul Spiti is having -8 degree Celsius. Then what it is asking? Between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Srinagar has exactly 0, -1, -2. So -2 degrees Celsius. So to make it a difference, to make it subtract, as you know, -2. So we are asking to do difference. So minus, subtract, -8. So we shall now solve this one. Just now I told, if you are having same signs, minus into minus, minus into minus, it is plus, or plus into plus is plus. So same signs, same result, like minus into minus plus. Here also we are having minus into minus plus. So write as it is this -2. We are solving this. Minus into minus is plus, and what is remaining? 8. And then what will be the answer? Plus into minus, minus. How much minus? In 8 we have to remove 2. That is 6 degrees Celsius is the answer for C. The difference between the temperatures of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar, that is -2 and -8 degree, is +6 degree. Now we shall see the last sub question of the first question, that is D. Now we'll check what D means. What D has the questions. And we are seeing here D is also having two sub questions within it. So first sub question is, can we say a temperature of Srinagar and Shimla are taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Now it's a question of sub question. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla are taken together? Together means we have to add them, plus sign. We have to add these both temperatures, Srinagar and Shimla. First we'll take Srinagar. Srinagar is having 0, -1, -2, -2 degree Celsius. So write down Srinagar -2 degree Celsius, and another thing what it is, Shimla. Shimla which is having +5 degree. It's having +5 degrees Celsius. So what we have to do? We have to add. Shimla are taken together. Taken together means we have to add this both. If we add means plus, right? 2 plus 5. Or simply we can write -2 plus 5. And then, so what is -2 plus 5? In 5 we are removing 2 means we are getting only 3. So this 3 degrees Celsius we are getting if we combine both Srinagar and Shimla's temperature. So this we have done 3. And again it is asking the temperature at together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Now what is the temperature of Shimla? Shimla's temperature is 5 degree Celsius. Is 5 degree greater than 3? No. Now it is 3 is less than 5 degree. So it is asking, is it less than temperature of Shimla? Yes, it is less than temperature of Shimla. Why? Because temperature of Shimla is having 5 degree. So it is having both the product of these two, means the addition of these two will be having the 3 degree Celsius. Again it is asking the Shimla is having 5 degree, whether the both of this addition of this both is less than 5. Yes, then it is the less than 5. Look here 3 is less than 5 degree Celsius. It is saying that it is less than temperature of Shimla. Temperature of Shimla is 5 and the both of the temperatures Srinagar and Shimla is 3. So here temperature of Srinagar and Shimla both is less than temperature of Shimla. Since they are asking the question, can we say, they are just asking, can we say the temperature of Srinagar are taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Yes, we can say the temperature is less than Shimla. Again we see this sub question. It is also less than temperature of Shimla. It means the addition of both these Srinagar and Shimla answer is less than Srinagar temperature. Here Srinagar's temperature is -2. Write down this here 3 degree, and temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree. Here it is 3 degree is greater than 2 degree. means no. No, it is not less than temperature of Srinagar. Now write the answer. So now children, here is the solution of this one, the statement what I have written this, and here is the second statement what I have written is. So this completes your first question in the according sub questions. In today's class we have learnt about integers, what are whole numbers, and what are natural numbers, and also we have covered this 1.1 exercise first question which carries 4 sub questions. We'll solve still more problems in the coming classes. Thank you.